Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 Top with the Roland Garros styling. So this car we've taken in part exchange. It comes with a retractable fabric roof, 15-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and also a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 9,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.